it's so helpful. Like I can't even really describe how much it helped me throughout these last 3 weeks to get a better understanding of situations and just being confident in my skills. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Cody. I'm on my hometown fire department. Before I found your program, I was mainly just using EMT prep, and I went to go take my national registry for advanced, and I failed my first attempt, and I felt that EMT prep had let me down. I kept getting a lot of questions on EMT prep that wasn't even on my national registry, like drip rates and medication administrations, rules of 9 for burn patients, that sort of stuff. And so that sort of led me to seeking out different programs and groups to help me study, because my department only allows us 2 times to take the advanced national registry before terminating our employment. First, I actually was talking to a buddy, and he recommended joining the NREMT Facebook study page. And so I was like, okay, and went in and checked it out. It seemed pretty legit, so I went ahead and joined, and saw a couple of your videos posted throughout the page. And honestly, at first I was a little bit skeptical. I was thinking, this is just some guy trying to make some money or something. And after watching the videos, I can't remember which one it was, but it helped me better understand that topic. And so then I was like, oh, maybe I'll reach out to him, see what it's about. And then honestly, what drew me into it was the fact that I could reach out to you on Facebook, and you got back to me in a timely manner, and you actually listened to your fan base, and anything that was suggested you had done videos on to help describe it better. So that kind of drew me in a lot more, and it just I was desperate. I'm like, you know what, classes were kind of screwed over with this whole COVID thing. So far, the videos that I've checked out have really helped me better understand some of the stuff. So I figured, why not give it a shot? And I purchased your website with your video vault. Really, it started off, you had a stroke video, which was one of the first videos I checked out. And I didn't really struggle with stroke, but there was a lot of things that pointed out that after watching the video made a lot of sense. And so once I started watching the videos, I started from the very beginning, from the very first video, and just worked my way down towards it and towards the bottom. And it really just helped out a lot. I'd passed my second attempt, and I get to keep my job. What I would do is I would, instead of sitting down and watching TV at night because, you know, I'm done with my training for the day, or I just couldn't do any more tests, I would pull up your website and just listen to videos. Just pop some headphones in and just pick a random video and start listening to it. I'd watch you kind of explain things on your whiteboard, and really enjoyed you being able to act as if you were really treating a patient and doing hands-on with a patient rather than sitting in front of a lecture board or a PowerPoint or whatever it be that people use to teach. And it really helped out and boost the confidence in the knowledge that I already had. But due to my test anxiety and just the whole pressure of my job being on the line, watching those videos, it really helped me become confident that I actually did know that what I was doing, and all the hard work that I put in over the last 6 months wasn't a waste. It says passing the national registry in easy mode, and I'm like, what? There's no way. There's no such thing. So that's another reason why I was like really skeptical about it, but it's definitely worth checking out and spending the $50 or whatever it was, because it's a lifetime membership. So I mean, even today I've gone back and I've watched a few videos while I can. So that's a really big benefit of it. A lot of these websites like EMT Prep and Medic Test, you only get a monthly subscription or however long you paid for that subscription, and then after that you either renew it or you're done. For this, $50 and you get a lifetime membership, and your private Facebook page group that you have as well, you go on there almost religiously and continue to talk about some of the issues and whatnot that people are struggling with through EMT or advanced EMT, paramedic. And you do a really great job too at distinguishing the two. Like, you make sure you hit your BLS runs before moving into the ALS, and it's so helpful. Like, I can't even really describe how much it helped me throughout these last 3 weeks to get a better understanding of situations and just being confident in my skills. Appreciate you taking the time to do your videos and reach back out to your fans in timely manners and actually listening to us. And the stuff that you do, it's incredible. I couldn't teach people the way you do, and you understand that not everyone can learn by sitting in a class and reading out of a book. So the fact that you understand not everyone learns from a book or a PowerPoint is just outstanding. I know I'm one who, I need to hear it. I need to see it being done, and even having someone help read it or explain things, I learn better, way better that way. So truly appreciate everything you do. Anytime I get the chance, I'll gladly offer or advise them to sign up for you and your paramedic coach. It's truly helpful and amazing at what you do.